Hey guys, I just want to show you what my Battlefield community map is. This is a super basic map, as you can see. I just wanted to get some ideas down. If you want the full rundown, I will have a post on Reddit explaining in much more detail what this map includes. That will be linked in the description. I apologize right now because what the mouse in the video is doing is not going to line up with my voice whatsoever. The video is just a visual to kind of help you see what I see, and I will be talking about the map. Right now I'm going to switch over to textured view just to show more detail of the items. Again, sorry about the textured view. I made a lot of faces on the plane, and it was hard to cover all of them. The brown stuff is roads. It's really low resolution. First off, you can see the water and the waterfall. This is going to be one of the capture points, and you have a river leading to one spawn and the other river leading to the outpost capture point. I will talk in more detail about the outpost after this. In the middle of the map is the village, which has several buildings that the infantry can fight in, but vehicles also have access to this place. There will be rat tunnels all around the map, leading to key areas to keep the fight going. I was thinking about switching outpost and village locations just to make the map more balanced. Above the outpost is the minefields, where most of the vehicle combat will take place. You have some trench warfare associated with this for the infantry. The final capture point will be the caves. On top there is a hole where you can drop down into, and the main entrance is at the front. Now I'm just going to show some drawings of the map to give more visual key. So the first one is just the overview, shows like everything. The next one is the minefields, and it shows you the trench locations and everything else. This is the outpost control point, which can also function as the TDM in the DOM map. There are 3 levels to this outpost with the tower at the top. The 3rd level has access to this tower that can function as a sniping tower. The 3rd level is one big level with access to the outside that have railings that you can shoot over. There will be ladders from the ground floor that will lead to the 3rd level. And then on the 1st floor there's entrances in both the middle and the outside. The middle is where vehicles can go. Now I'm just going to switch over to the 3-level layout. The middle, or the 1st level in red is in the middle. If you want to pause at any time and look over at the layout, go ahead. It's super basic and it's just a layout idea. The 1st level you have all sorts of rooms with stairs in the corners. The 2nd level you have an overpass where you can traverse between the 2 sides, and then the 2nd level has stairs going up to the 3rd in the middle of each side. Now I'm just going to show some pictures of what it looks like. It's in order from 1, 2, and 3. Just wrapping up some thoughts. Please leave criticisms. I want to know what you guys think. And then if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And thanks for your support.